To our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this video we will talk about a very well-known freelancing website which is known as Freelancer. So guys, we will learn how to create an account on Freelancer. So first of all, we have to go on Google, and here we have to search for freelancer. So guys, here you have to click on the official link of freelancer. Just simply click on it, then you will see this type of window on your screen. And in this window, just look at the right top corner on the screen. Here you will see the sign up button. Just simply click on it, and here you have to write your email address. I am going to write my email address. So guys, once you're done with your email address, then you have to go for password. Here you have to write your password. So guys, once you're done with this, then you have to click on this markup button. Just simply markup, and then you have to click on join freelancer. I think it is the very beneficial suggestion if you save your password in your Gmail account. So I am going to save it first. So guys, once you're done with your password, then you have to write your username over here. You have some of suggestions, and or if you don't want to go with suggestions, then you can write your name over here. Okay, now I will go with this suggestion, and I am going to click on next. Here you have to define what you want to do or what your account type. So if you want to do work, then you will go with I want to work, and if you want to hire someone, then you will go with the I want to hire. For now, I am going with I want to work. And guys, it's almost done. So guys, as you can see, my account has been created on freelancer. So here you have to add your skills. I am going with the design and media. Here I will select graphic design, and then I will go with this next button. For now, I don't want to link any account over here, and here I have to write my name, and here I have to write my last name, and then go with this next button. Here you have to write your description. What do you do? So I am writing over here. So guys, once you're done with your description and you describe yourself portion, then you have to go with next. Here you have to select your language. I am going to add English, and here I have to define my birthday. Okay, now I am done with it, and now I'm going to click on next. Here I have to write my address. Okay, now my account has been almost done. They will send me an email, and then I will verify my email over here, and then I will be able to run my account. We will discuss in our next video. So guys, this is how to create an account on freelancer. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.